Okay, we're back.
We're back. Trip out on it.
Alright, boom. We need to rinse off the meat. Rinse off the meat. Who gonna rinse it off?
Can I open it?
Gran gonna do it.
I can't open it.
Gran gonna rinse off the meat. Get the salt and pepper.
Okay. Get some salt and some peppers. Okay, so right here I see some.
And you know you gotta
get my forehead in there.
Have the water. You good? Yeah, do that. Alright, he finna rinse that off. The cameraman should have been washing these dishes.
Daddy, how is this live if you're using a GoPro?
Who said we live?
You said that.
We live. That's how.
Everybody gonna think that
We live.
this was old.
Are we live or not?
No.
Okay, so when are we gonna release this? When's the release date then? If we not live, when is it? 21. Okay? 21,000s. Oh, that's when it released? Okay. Like in 2100? In 100 years? No, not 100. Like 74 years, 76 years? We gonna release this in 76 years, y'all. So if y'all see this before 76 years, you are lucky. Alright, this is Grant rinsing off the steak. Okay.
Be healthy.
Alright, now. Pick it up, and get the other side rinsed off.
Oh, open it up. You touched the trash with that. Hey.
Alright, he gonna rinse it off, and when he done,
Edit of some party stuff. We got
let it drip off.
We got the salt and pepper. We got the salt and pepper. Hey, cameraman, you ain't doing your job right. You ain't finna get no pay.
Let it drip off. Let the water drip off in the sink for a long time.
What you doing?
And then
It's paused right now. You ain't even recording.
I'll let it keep dripping a little bit.
Let me do my job.
Don't hold it like you're gonna
right
separate it.
Yeah.
Pause
put it
it then.
Why pause it? Rinse off the other side.
Let me do my job.
2 minutes.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Alright, we about to season the meat. I do the salt and you do the pepper.
Yes, so I am going to be doing the pepper, you guys. You better be grateful, okay?
Okay, now watch how I do it. Watch how I do it. Watch.
Okay.
Watch me real close. Now,
Real
watch
close.
this, y'all.
Watch.
You have to look. You have to look and see the soft granules.
Whoa.
You see?
No
See that?
granules.
Bam! Like the essence of emerald.
Okay. Stop
Now,
granules.
let's see the pepper. Here we go. Watch this. Watch this. Watch close. Here we go. Explosions. Stars.
Watch real close.
You done this before, right?
No.
Okay, next. Alright, yes, all over.
That's how you season pepper as a kid.
Alright, boom, bam. Who gonna flip it?
For her.
I gotta flip it. We gotta do the other side, Kennedy.
Oh, yes. Do it very nice. This time I want to do the sauce.
No, stick to your pepper.
Okay. Pepper. Alright. Watch real close. Explosions.
Here,
Stars.
look like this. Look like this, though.
Hey. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, buddy, heavy on the tap. Yeah, heavy on the tap. All right.
Yes.
All right. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Ooh. Explosions. Bam, bam.
That was too much.
I'm gonna add a little something, little secret ingredient, y'all.
Don't show.
Little
I
secret.
can do it.
You can. No, I got it. This is special. This the special bang.
That's too much.
We got it.
Explosions.
Put a little MSG up in there. Okay.
Bam, bam, thank you, sir. Just pretend it rhymes. No, yo, what's the next line? I know that was not because I used my mind. You use your mind sometimes when you rhyme. That's because I got the best lines. Period.
Oh, wait a minute. You just messed it all up. Alright, what we gonna do? Hey, watch that hair in the kitchen.
Watch that
You need
one.
to calm down.
What's that one?
Need to calm down.
Oh. Help me.
Here we go. You getting this, cameraman? You getting what the volume at? You getting this, mic man?
Oh.
Yeah. That's some butter right there. There we go. There we go.
And that's not how you spread butter.
We doing it.
Please stand by. Do not try this at home.
Try it at home if you want to. If you want a good steak, you better try this. Do this if you want some good steak.
Or go to your greenhouse if you want some good steak. Steak and rice with sugar in it. Steak and rice with sugar in it. Steak and rice with sugar in it. Steak and rice with sugar in it.
Granny needs to not put sugar in
Teach
rice.
y'all's granny. I promise it's good. Just get white sugar. Don't ever get brown sugar.
All right, here we go. We about to
Oh heck no.
we about to do it. Here we
Next,
go.
you're gonna wanna pop your
Oh, watch out, watch
butter
out.
bubble.
No, you don't. All right, we about to add the meat.
I'll add it.
Go ahead.
This
Here we
is
go.
heavy. You gonna get your meat thigh?
Oh, she did it wrong. Now you did it wrong. You could have splashed yourself with the steak because how you laid it, it slapped towards you. You gotta slap it toward the. So don't do it like that. On the next one, I'm gonna have to show her how to do it.
Ain't y'all gonna have to blur out this logo?
Okay, so, nah. So what we gonna have to do is now start on the sides. So we'll get back with you. Oh, go ahead. You got
Alright.
a minute.
So, y'all, today I'm gonna be rhyming about cooking steak. Once you cook the steak, you have to make a plate. Wait, no. Wait.
Hey.
Once you cook the steak, you make your plate, you get the rice, and you bake it.
Okay.
Once you get the rice, you get the.
You got another price.
You want right? Hey, cameraman, don't do that.
You said, okay. Next, you're gonna want to make sure it's sizzled, because that means it's cooking very, very good. You gonna, yeah. And then make sure you don't over season it.
Watch it.
Anyways, so once your steak sizzles, you're gonna want to make sure that once the blood all comes at the top, you make sure it sizzles away so that you don't eat it and then it doesn't taste like a penny. I tried a penny before. Don't do that.
Yeah, it tastes like blood.
Don't do that. I was 3. I
You
remember.
remember that? You a lie.
I remember.
That was yesterday.
I still felt it right there. I remember I was 3. Then I ate a penny. I said it was
Swallow
dark. Yes.
Oh.
I was smart when I was 3, so I got a lot of spit. I got a lot of spit and I swallowed
So
it.
smart to swallow a penny?
No, I was smart to get a lot of.
You say you was smart.
No, we talking about the steak. What you talk? Oh, okay. So, anyways, after your blood comes up, you're gonna make sure it evaporates up to your thingy things right there.
Oh, yeah.
And then, after that, you're gonna wanna let it cook. Let me cook.
Yeah. You cooking. Have the fork in your hand. So for the cat, what you call
Here
it?
you go. I'm good.
Take the picture like, you know, for the, what you call it?
Caption.
Thumbnail.
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 Get a good thumbnail.
Get your thumbnail.
That's it.
That's good. That was perfect.
Now I want a funnier thumbnail.
Girl, think of pose.
Okay, I'll pick this one. A crown with one hand.
Come on, look at the camera though. All right, where were you looking? Not at the tablet. Look anywhere else but the tablet. Now everybody look at the thing, the steak. Look at the steak. Look surprised at it.
Looks constipated.
All right.
I don't think we got it, but it's all good.
What you gotta say?
How's the taste?
Flavorful. I can taste the butter. And if you have braces, I would not recommend. Because all the meat can get stuck in between your teeth. So, first thing you have to do is not try it. First, you have to pray. God, thank you for this food. It's gonna be so delicious. I know it. Amen. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Okay. Okay. I like the juiciness. It's so good, and it's so steaking. Stank? I said steaking. Stanking.
The steak is steaking.
The steak is steaking. No. I definitely recommend this for braces because you need some. And guess what? The fat is delicious.
What you think?
It's good.
What?
It's good.
Your mouth full?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. It's good, right?
Yeah.
I'm not making you say this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I am. Okay.